Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Living the American Dream. So now we know that there's coronavirus everywhere, so we don't have any hand sanitizer anywhere. So now I decided to make the hand sanitizer inside our home. It's a DIY, very simple procedure. So for that, what we need is a rubbing alcohol. I have 70%. You can get from 60% about to 90%. So the higher the number is better. And you can get a Aloevera gel. This one is from Indian store. Obviously the brand is Patanjali. You don't have to get a branded one, but I got this one because there's none out there. So I have the Aloevera gel. Then I have a vitamin E. This is for your skin health because we constantly using rubbing alcohol, and then that makes your skin dry. So this vitamin E will help you to moisture and help you with the skin. And I have a couple of burning oil, essential oil. This just for aroma, so I'm just going to use one of this oil and with that. So you don't need this tool ingredient if you don't have it, but all you need is just rubbing alcohol and the aloe vera gel, and we can make the hand sanitizer at your home. Let's go and find out how we make this. Okay, so for our sanitizer mix, first we're gonna take the aloe vera gel. We're gonna do a half cup. We're gonna put that aloe vera gel into our measuring cup. So we're gonna pour it to that. That's a half cup of aloe vera gel. You can take a spoon and then get it off from that cup. Okay. Now we're gonna take a 1 cup of our rubbing alcohol. So I have 70%. So I'm gonna fill it up, that measuring cup, with that. I'm gonna take 1 cup of it. So I'm gonna pour it in that gel. Then what we're gonna do is I'm just gonna stir it very well. Just mix it because it's gel with alcohol, so you just have to mix it so that it will, the gel will get really blend into that alcohol. So just mix it. Then you're gonna take 1 tablespoon of vitamin E oil. Just pour it into your measuring cup. Then you can just pour into the liquid. Now I'm gonna look for a half tablespoon. I'm gonna choose one of my favorite fragrance. So I'm gonna put half tablespoon of essential oil to it. And that's all the ingredients you needed for this hand sanitizer. So I'm just gonna mix it very well. Okay, so our mix is ready. Now I'm gonna transfer it to a bottle. So I have a hand soap bottle ready. I cleaned it up, and so I'm gonna fill this bottle with our homemade sanitizer. So I'm just gonna put a funnel, and I'm gonna see. Okay, that's good. Gonna cover it. Oh, almost full. Okay, so that's our sanitizer. We're just gonna shake it really good so that it will get mixed well. Okay, shake it good. Whoa. Okay, so let's try our sanitizer. Okay. Wow, it's really smooth, and you just have to rub a couple of times, and it's very smooth. If you look at it, have a very clean hand, very smooth hand, and smells very good. So this is our DIY homemade hand sanitizer. And so if you can find a hand sanitizer at any store, don't worry. you can just make it at your home. All right, and this will last for at least a couple of weeks. Okay, thanks for watching, and I'll come with new videos soon. Thank you.